Got a short video here just to go through the callback feature on the Patchworks process flows. So essentially with the callbacks, it's a nice intuitive way to design workflows so that you can get back an instant response. So that can be with many systems for many different types of operations. And for this example here, we're just going to show you sort of like a checkout example. So what we're going to be simulating is a checkout has got an address. Once that address has been entered with the postcode, etc., that's going to be fired out to our callback URL, which we have here, which we can just add callbacks, and then that creates a fully self-contained URL here. From there, it's going to make a call into InPost in this example. I'm looking for their points. So essentially the drop-off locations or the pickup locations. Postcode will get sent in. It'll then return a payload of data with lots and lots of fields. We're going to then take it through a map. So essentially we're just going to pick a few lines that have come from there. So address line 1 and then the opening hours. And then we're going to map them into the results and then send them back out to the initial request. So the callback comes into the particular URL. It goes through the transformation, and then this final shape here, the callback, will send that response out, and that response being this payload here. So just to simulate this, I'm just going to use Postman. So in the real world, this would be a checkout. The ecom platform would send a message once the customer's entered their shipping details, let's say, or there's a call as soon as they enter a postcode, and they click lookup. That's going to be sent out to this URL with the body of the postcode, as we can see here. So we'll just click send to simulate that. And then what will happen is it will go through that initial request, then goes through the map, and then that's what we see here. So we've got the results and then the location address and then also the opening hours as well. So again, this can be used in any number of ways, and we'll cover that in a longer form video with some more complex examples.